Hello, we are back with another assignment and another little message from me. I really enjoyed hearing from you all last time and getting to stay in touch with you. You might notice that I am currently sitting in a tree outside, and that is because the best time for me to record a video for you is when my kids are sleeping. And if I'm outside, I won't wake them up. So things are obviously different for me as a teacher than they were when I was in the classroom with you. I know they're different for you as a student as well. And so I hope you're doing well. I hope you're taking good care of yourself. You reach out if you need anything. And we are going to get started on a new topic today. I think we're all pretty tired of exponential functions. We've seen a lot of those recently. And starting with something new is also going to make sure that you all stay on track, and that when we do come back together, that we'll be caught up on some of the stuff that we would be doing if we had been in class together. So we're going to do that with a Desmos activity and then a Kahoot that you can do from home. Let's see. So I know a lot of you have had questions about, like, is this for a grade? And in class, a lot of times you ask me, is this for a grade? And I tell you, everything's for a grade. But you know, everything is not for a grade. And right now, this is definitely not for a grade. From the district, they've asked us to not grade anything that we give to you, but I'm actually really excited about that. I think that's going to be a good thing. And the reason is that we just get to do this just so you can learn it with no pressure. So this is my first time creating assignments that are supposed to help you learn something where I'm not there at all, and so you can give me some feedback and let me know how it goes. And I encourage you to reach out to each other, so you can maybe FaceTime, each do your own Desmos, but talk about it together. You can email me, check in with me, and just let me know how things are. So before you get started, before you go any further, I'm going to encourage you to go to desmos.com and click on Start Graphing, and then just type in these three things. So you're going to type this in, see what happens. Type this in, the next line, see what happens. And you're going to type in this point, which y'all remember is X, comma Y. You just type it in right the way it looks and see what happens. And then you'll kind of get an understanding of what we're going to be working on. It's a new topic called Systems of Equations. I do encourage you to create a Desmos account. You don't have to, but we'll be doing a few of these during the time that we're out. And if you create an account, you don't even have to click save or anything. You can just close it and it'll save your work, and you can log back in and pick up where you left off. If you don't create an account, you either have to do it all at once, or if you stop, you'll have to start over. So you could create an account, do a little bit of it, maybe you have a question, you ask someone else, you email me, and then come back to it, and you don't have to start over. So you'll have the Desmos and then the Kahoot and a few questions to answer in the Google Doc, just checking in with me. I really look forward to hearing from you guys. A funny thing happened to me yesterday, which is that a wasp was flying around my house and I had to kill it. And I killed it, and I was like, oh, that reminds me of my classroom. Which is kind of funny that killing a wasp made me think of who it made me think of you, but it did, and it really made me realize that I miss getting to spend time with you guys. So I hope you're doing well. Reach out if you need anything, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.